Hi everyone. Today, my name is Bhanu, and I'm going to be welcoming you in the podcast titled as "Friendship: A Blessing or a Lesson." And आज जो मेरे साथ हैं वो हमारे साथ 6 वीक इन ब्लिसफुल प्रोग्राम कर चुकी हैं और उसी के साथ साथ मैं बस उनका नाम बताना चाहूंगा, आगे वो अपना इंट्रोडक्शन खुद देंगी. सो लेट मी वेलकम शीतल. या शीतल, प्लीज टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ. टेल एवरीबडी समथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ.
Okay, my name is Sheetal. I actually am sorry, my child is here, so थोड़ा सा पीछे बैकग्राउंड में आवाज आएगा.
नो प्रॉब्लम.
Nursery rhymes का.
ओके.
So I know you for like now 3 years almost,
या.
and it has been a very nice journey of friendship and getting to know you a lot. For me, especially, I actually own a therapy center for special needs children, and right here in Pune, and उसको भी काफी like वक्त हो चुका है, more than 3 years now, and I'm very happy with what my journey with this project has been as well. So yeah, that's a little bit about me as of now.
Oh, that was nice to get a glimpse of you, what you do. So let us start with a quick question round session, okay? Question answer round session.
Yes.
So
Yes.
first of all, if you want to tell, you can tell me your journey with friendships till date.
Well, I mean, obviously, like, जैसे how you age, your obviously your friendships and your dynamics they change. When you are younger, you're not much aware of the world. You're just trying to understand the world with your friends. Create a bond that hopefully lasts for the lifetime. Beach में थोड़ा सा, like you do. Miss out on a lot of things. Your friends also move on, they have their own lives, you have your own lives, so कभी कभी थोड़ा connection थोड़ा चला जाता है. And then obviously as you grow older you get to meet new people. They come to you through work or just like mutual friendship of interests and all. So yeah, I've been very lucky, you could say, in finding friends. But then there have been times where the friendships have gone sour, and it's it's tough. Sometimes when you need a friend, it's tough. When you thought that that person would be with you forever, or at least would understand your situation, what you're going through, and not make you look like a fool that you trusted them in friendship.
So,
So
yeah.
that's yeah, it's been like ups and downs in friendship, so good and
India.
bad.
Same
Yeah.
story of everyone.
And I'm actually very sad to hear that, because nobody should go through that, at least not in
Yeah,
friendship.
yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think you're lucky you have got me as a friend.
Yes, I am very lucky in that
Thank you.
sense. Absolutely. Absolutely.
I'm blushing. So, when you got this betrayal in friendship, so did you felt the pain? Like, how did it impact your mental health and emotional health?
Um, See, honestly, at first it was very heartbreaking.
Yeah.
Because you want to be your true self with your friends, obviously. Like, जो हैं हम हैं. मेक्स नो सेंस कि कोई मुझे मैं क्या हूँ उसके अलावा मुझे देख के वो मुझे मेरी लाइफ में रहे. एंड
Yes.
सेम गोज फॉर मी. आप जो भी हैं, आई एक्सेप्ट यू द वे यू आर. आई डोंट ट्राई टू चेंज माई फ्रेंड्स. ऑब्वियसली देर आर places where I would probably suggest कि भाई these are the things that probably you could do to better your life, and I will always be there to hold your hand. But जब वो एक बिट्रेयल का एक आ जाता है ना मोमेंट, तो इट्स रियली इट हैज अ रियली डीप इमोशनल वुंड.
Mm.
बिकॉज तुमने बहुत एफर्ट्स लिए होते हैं फॉर दैट पर्सन.
Yeah.
You have trusted them. You trusted them with your life. You trusted them with the things that are going in your life, the secrets of your life, which you don't necessarily tell everyone.
Yeah.
ये सबके लिए नहीं होता है. ये बहुत
Correct.
ही कुछ खास लोगों के लिए होता है जो मुझे एक ओपन बुक की तरह मानते हैं.
Yes.
So when that happens, it feels exhausting. It feels कि यार क्यों ही किया.
Yeah.
And then you start doubting yourself कि am I even understanding कि कौन इतना ट्रू फ्रेंड है या नहीं है, who is my real friend, who is not. So it can be, it can take time for you to get out of that mood.
Yeah,
कि
and
you know, like इमोशनली
some
बहुत इम्पैक्ट करता है.
sometimes you
बहुत.
really even doubt your decision कि मैंने क्यों ही दोस्ती करी या क्यों ही बताया, ये चीज भी अंदर से आती है.
Yeah, absolutely,
Yeah,
absolutely. Because see, what happens is that के एक ट्रू फ्रेंडशिप में एक रिलेशन, वो भी एक तरीके का एक रिलेशनशिप होता है जहाँ
correct.
पे इट्स लाइक गिव एंड टेक.
Yeah.
एफर्ट्स दोनों तरफ से होते हैं. यू आर ट्राइंग टू नर्चर इट फॉर अ लॉन्गर टाइम. यू नो कि तुमको चाहिए कि भाई हाँ ये इंसान मुझे चाहिए मेरी लाइफ में. यू नो वो हम बोलते हैं ना सुख दुख का साथी, वो दोस्त ही
Yes,
होता है. यू नो. तो
that's correct.
वो जब उसमें बिट्रेयल आ जाता है तो थोड़ा सा इट कैन बी, आई वुड नॉट से लाइक इट्स अ डिप्रेसिंग थिंग बिकॉज
Mm,
डिप्रेशन इज अ वेरी स्ट्रांग वर्ड.
correct.
बट आई वुड डेफिनेटली से दैट इमोशनली बहुत ही इम्पैक्टफुल रहता है बिकॉज इट डज मेक यू, मतलब अपनी लाइफ में यू स्टार्ट डाउटिंग योर सेल्फ.
Yeah,
सेल्फ डाउट बहुत आ जाता है.
and your decisions which you took for that
And
person.
your decisions,
Yeah.
absolutely, yeah. You second guess yourself कि ये करना है नहीं करना है, am I
हाँ.
right, am I wrong, because पहले you know
पहले भी एक बार ऐसा हो चुका है.
हो चुका
That's
है.
come.
हो
I
चुका
can
है,
understand.
so yeah.
So it does it also comes
Yeah.
as a burden to trust the next person who's coming as a friend in your life, like the way you are trusting somebody now, say 100%, and that person betrays you. So if the next person comes to your life and tries to being a good friend with for you and with you, so do you also keep your trust percentage as 100% only, or you just make it down as a lesson from the previous one? Like what do you do?
I थोड़ा सा, obviously it will not be the same.
Yeah.
The and every experience with every friend is not the same.
Yes.
But हाँ, like trusting somebody new can be a little difficult.
Yeah.
You are not gonna be the same version of who you are with them because of your past experiences, and you need to start setting boundaries, I would say. Okay, probably take it slow, try to understand, gauge कि भाई actually में this person is there with honest intentions, or this is also gonna turn out to be a toxic friendship. So
Judge करना पड़ता
yeah, you
है.
have to be, yeah, yeah, as I said, because you know, because you have been, you know, second guessing yourself. सामने like a new person could be a completely you know clear headed, you know, could be a good person and all, and it has nothing to do with them.
Hmm.
It's just that what you have been through, you're obviously going to, you know, second guess कि यार क्या करना है नहीं करना है, and it might take time to even build that friendship.
Yeah.
तो but obviously I try my best कि मैं मेरे past experiences से I do not make सामने वाला इंसान feel bad or worthless because
Judge the
they haven't done anything.
judge the new person on the past experience in short.
हाँ, मतलब
हाँ.
उन्होंने तो कुछ नहीं किया ना,
हाँ.
like I don't need to be bad to them. You know, I
Exactly.
don't need to be horrible to this person because उन्होंने तो कुछ नहीं किया है. So
Yes.
you just take it as it comes and not become too overly friendly so quickly probably.
Yeah,
वही
I can
छाछ फूक
understand.
फूक के पीनी पड़ती है, ऐसा
बहुत
हो जाता
ज्यादा.
है फिर.
So
Yeah.
what are the red flags which you can tell us कि ये तो होते ही हैं एक toxic friendship में?
Ooh, red flags. For me, I would say keep talking behind your back. That's
Uh,
the biggest red
biggest
flag.
red flag. Yeah.
Biggest red flag because see honestly when you आप अगर बोल रहे हैं कि आप मेरे सच्चे फ्रेंड हैं, तो मेरे मेरे सामने आप मेरी तारीफ करोगे तो उसका कुछ मतलब नहीं होने वाला है.
Hmm.
आप
Correct.
मेरे मेरे एब्सेंस में मेरे बारे में क्या बोल रहे हो, दैट मैटर्स द मोस्ट.
True.
एंड इफ उस वक्त you are not standing up for me when 10 other people are saying bad things and you are आप खुद उसमें शामिल होके हाँ में हाँ मिला रहे हैं, तो then that's like the biggest red flag. Like then obviously you're not my friend, you're just there to, I don't know what you're trying to do. I have no idea, I mean करना
अरे
क्या चाहते,
भाई
like
करना क्या चाहते हो?
करना क्या चाहते हो. Because that's not friendship, that's like the biggest red flag कि पीठ पीछे जो कोई बोलता है ना तुम्हारे बारे में, that's the worst because you are also not there to defend yourself ना.
Yeah.
आप एकदम helpless हो जाते हो.
बट आई
कि
आई आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर इन आर केस शीतल, इट्स टोटली डिफरेंट। एक दूसरे के सामने हम तारीफ नहीं कर सकते एक दूसरे की, बट पीठ पीछे इतनी करते हैं।
हम यही करते थे,
हाँ।
मुंह पे एक दूसरे का मजाक
कभी
उड़ाते हैं।
कभी नहीं तारीफ करी। शीतल हैज
नहीं नहीं,
नेवर
कभी
प्रेज्ड मी ऑन माय फेस।
ना। हाँ, पीठ पीछे हम तारीफ करते हैं।
So I think that's
यस,
that's a very good sign of a healthy friendship.
हेल्दी
So
फ्रेंडशिप,
so
यस।
if you lose a person as a friend in your life, so how do you emotionally heal yourself? What are the thoughts which come into your mind, and how do you move on from that situation?
आई ऑनेस्टली मूव ऑन तो थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट रहता ही है, बिकॉज
No
फॉर मी
doubt.
आई एम द काइंड ऑफ पर्सन दैट डजंट लाइक पीपल लीविंग फ्रॉम माई लाइफ।
Oh,
मुझे हाँ, मुझे मेरी फ्रेंडशिप्स, मेरे रिलेशनशिप्स, जो लोग भी मेरी लाइफ में आते हैं जो मेरे लिए खास हैं, मुझे उनका जाना पसंद नहीं आता। बिकॉज सी, मेहनत करके पैसे कोई भी कमा सकता है। ओके, यू कैन अर्न tons and tons of money, you can earn all the luxuries in the world, लेकिन फ्रेंडशिप एक चीज है ना जो सब नहीं कमा पाते,
that's true.
सो
That's true.
या, नॉट एवरीवन इज, और सबके बस की बात भी नहीं है कि यू नो दैट इज, आई फील लाइक दैट इज द बिगेस्ट वेल्थ इन द वर्ल्ड,
Yeah,
कि आपके जाने के बाद कौन, यू नो who affected the most, वो पता चलता है कि आप भी उनके लिए कितने इम्पोर्टेंट थे, एंड वाइस वर्सा।
yes,
सो
yes, that's true.
या,
That's true. So move on हो जाता है, पर फाइनली करना ही पड़ता है, ऑप्शन नहीं है।
करना ही पड़ता है ऑब्वियसली। यू सी, यू कांट, यू आप
Yeah,
मतलब
स्टिक
आप ये
होके नहीं
बोल
रह
रहे हो
सकता है।
कि, हाँ मतलब आप ये बोल रहे हो कि मतलब कितना पॉइजन खाऊंगी तब तक मैं मर जाऊं, पर पॉइजन खाना ही क्यों है?
सही बात है, इट्स अ वेरी नाइस
आई
एग्जांपल।
शुडंट, हाँ लाइक व्हाई शुड आई ड्रिंक दैट पॉइजन ना, कि भाई
हाँ,
थोड़ा थोड़ा पीऊंगी तो ठीक हो जाएगा, विल
हाँ,
नथिंग विल हैपन टू मी, पर वो उतना भी क्यों पीना है?
हाँ, फेंक दो ना
यू
शीशी।
शुड नॉट। हाँ, अरे सब कुछ फेंक दो, वो इंसान, टाटा बाय बाय, यू आर आउट ऑफ माई लाइफ।
Good one, and I'm thinking how you are resisting yourself from saying a lot of other words. Thank you for that.
नहीं नहीं, वो हम अलग
वो
बात
हम
करेंगे।
we'll have a conversation after the podcast.
यस, यस।
So, do you also forgive them after this has been done? Say, for an example, you have lost a friend, lost the friendship, not the friend. Friend is still alive. Okay, so you have lost the friendship with that person. That relationship is over. So, do you believe in forgiving him or her, or like, what is your opinion on that?
Yeah, I forgive. I forgive because see, uh, I know that not everybody is like me.
Yeah.
ठीक है, पीपल विल हैव, जो भी किया, अच्छा किया बुरा किया, वो उनकी थॉट प्रोसेस से किया था, उनको लगा उन्होंने सच किया है, सही किया है, ठीक है, आपकी मर्जी, दैट इज योर karma
Hmm.
कमिंग टू यू लेटर ऑन इन लाइफ, दैट विल कम ऑब्वियसली। सो आई फॉरगिव, क्योंकि मैं फॉरगिव नहीं करूंगी ना तो वो एक बोझ रहेगा मेरे चेस्ट में,
That's true.
and I don't want to walk around this world with that burden, because it is
Hmm.
not my burden. I am not the one who did that to me.
Yeah.
That is your
So,
burden.
so the
So I
situation was
forgive. I
outside
will
the
be like,
friendship.
हाँ forgiven, मैं वो बात को मेंशन भी नहीं करूंगी, मैं ऐसे जाके झगड़ने भी नहीं जाऊंगी, या why did you do this, that, nothing. I will forgive, but I will never forget. भूलूंगी नहीं मैं उसको। ऐसा नहीं है कि हाँ भाई ठीक है, now you can come
Yeah,
back
but
in my life.
if the time passes and you forget it eventually, will that be fine?
फॉरगेट
अच्छा,
कैसे
वो
भूल
भी नहीं
सकोगे?
होता है।
लाइफ इज वेरी शॉर्ट, पीपल डोंट फॉरगेट थिंग्स, यू कांट फॉरगेट समवन हाउ दे सी, यू कैन फॉरगेट वर्ड्स,
हम्म।
you can forget maybe moments, but you will never forget a feeling someone gave you. तुमको वो फीलिंग हमेशा याद रहेगी कि इस इंसान के साथ मुझे ये फील हुआ
बट
था,
डोंट यू
दिस
थिंक
आई फेल्ट द
बाय द
लोएस्ट।
पैसेज ऑफ टाइम वो थोड़ा सा परसेंटेज में तो कम हो ही जाता है? नॉट नाउ,
फॉरगिवनेस
मे
रहता
बी।
है ना, फॉरगिव,
फॉरगिवनेस तो
यू
हो गया।
फॉरगिव इट, फॉरगिव,
फॉरगेटनेस,
भूलना
फॉरगेटनेस
नहीं, नहीं
मान लो
आई
अभी
वुड
जैसे,
नॉट।
now you are not forgetting, maybe after 10 years you'll be like चलो जाने देते हैं, अभी जो हुआ 10 साल पहले, it was a very
वो तो
small thing.
अभी भी जाने देते हैं, मेरा वही है, जाने दो।
अच्छा, ओके।
वो मतलब द फॉरगेट का पॉइंट ये है कि आई विल नॉट फॉरगेट कि भाई तुमने क्या किया था मेरे साथ,
हम्म।
नॉट इन दैट सेम इंटेंसिटी के आई एम
Oh,
अपसेट विथ यू,
it will be a small thought in the
नथिंग लाइक
mind, but with no grudges.
दैट। नो
Okay.
ग्रजेस, नो
That's
ग्रजेस।
good. That's good. So we
ठीक है,
can say,
तुमने जो किया वो तुमने किया, दैट्स व्हाट आई सेड ना कि
yeah.
दैट इज योर बर्डन टू कैरी, नॉट माइन। karma will come and they will, वो आपको फिक्स कर लेगा। आई एम नॉट, सी आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू बी कि मैं तुमको सजा दूंगी, आई विल टेक रिवेंज ऑन यू, नो, बिकॉज देन आई एम बीइंग जस्ट लाइक यू ना। And there has to be some difference between that person and me. I will not be
I
that
would like to
person,
I would like to give a
absolutely not.
I would like to give a different definition to that forget which you have just said. Forgetting
Yeah,
partially. In which
पार्शल,
I'm
हाँ,
not
मतलब
keeping
याददाश्त, मतलब बुढ़ापे
हाँ
में याददाश्त चली
it
गई कि
चली
मैं
गई
क्या किया था, तो शायद हाँ।
and you don't have any grudges. अच्छा ऐसे किया था ठीक है. I have to be safe. I have to
अच्छा
keep
ऐसे किया था
myself
तूने,
safe.
अच्छा ठीक है।
I'll keep
हाउ हैज
myself
लाइफ
safe.
बीन सिंस?
कैसा चल रहा है?
कैसे चल रहा है? No, because see what happens is like अगर see Bunny, if even when you are in someone's life and they betray you,
Yeah.
they are losing you as a person, right?
Hmm.
You as a whole.
Yeah.
तो जो भी तुमने तुम्हारी अच्छाई से जो उनके लिए किया था वो भी तो चला ही गया ना उनके
That's
लिए।
true. That's true. But the thing is,
That also left।
I don't, like you said, you don't keep the grudges. I also don't keep the grudges. I don't keep it repeating in my mind. Okay, इन्होंने ऐसा किया था ऐसे होता है. I see a few
हाँ
people
नहीं,
who keep repeating in that these things in
yeah,
the mind. हाँ,
yeah,
वो नहीं
yeah,
फिर हाँ.
so
So that's
that's what
good.
it is, you're like keeping the burden on your head, तुम्हारे ही मन में रख रहे हो। वो इंसान तो बोल के निकल गए।
बहुत आगे
वो तो नहीं, वो तो शांत है, वो तो मजे कर रहे हैं, वो दूसरा टारगेट ढूंढ रहे हैं।
वो डांस कर रहे हैं.
आप हाँ, आप यहीं पे, आप वहीं के, आप उस मोमेंट में अटक गए ना।
Yes, yes, yes,
You are
yes, yes.
stuck in that moment, so
Hmm.
you have to like just let
Move
it go,
move on from it. Yeah.
you need to move on and you need to prosper and you need to grow,
Hmm.
वरना नहीं होगा।
मतलब बहुत डिफिकल्ट
then
हो
you'll be
जाता है.
stuck in then you'll be stuck in that moment
Hmm.
for the rest of your life।
वो माइंड में भी
it
ब्लॉकेजेस आ जाते हैं.
festers it
Hmm.
festers it festers
That's
and
true.
वो आप ही को दुख पहुंचाते जाएगा, nobody else। and actually to the people around you, your family will notice, your true friends will notice के कि ये क्या हो रहा है इसके साथ, ये
हाँ.
गलत है, दिस पर्सन, ये ऐसी नहीं है, हाउ वाई
Hmm.
इज दिस हैपनिंग टू हर, ऐसा। सो
But that's good the way you have told the red flags and how you will be tackling it, and everybody here have also maybe understood the way to tackle lost friendships or toxic friendships. So
आई होप सो।
yeah, I'd like to ask you. You have already done this 6 week in a blissful program. So
यस,
any takeaways? Like how did it help you from dealing with the challenges like friendships or other relationships which you leave behind?
सी what I learned from you, I would say,
अरे
is
बाप रे.
that there is, yes, because you are the one who had, taken me through this journey. So
I'm always there for
it's,
you.
of course, we've spoken about, connecting with nature, connecting with the like this supreme being,
Yeah.
and, connecting to uh, something that makes sense in your life।
Yes.
उस कनेक्शन के पहले you need to find some sort of inner balance, because when your life is in complete chaos, through meditation I feel कि you need to get back to that center।
Yeah.
कि ठीक है, yes, there are problems in life, there are a lot of things that we want to accomplish in life and stuff, and वो कैसा रहता है कि उसको वो लेवल तक पहुंचने के लिए आई फील लाइक मेडिटेशन हेल्प्स अ लॉट। and it
Also.
takes a lot of patience, it takes a lot of understanding from your side as well।
Mhm.
okay, and acceptance, I would say।
Yeah.
you accept के हाँ ठीक है, right now my life is in complete mess, but
Mhm.
ठीक है, I am baby steps, I'm working towards it, I'm trying to get there। and yeah, so I feel like that is what I feel like meditation has brought to me,
Yeah. The day
baby
you
steps।
realize that I have to take the charge of myself, and yeah, the things
Yeah,
happen.
yeah,
Miracles
absolutely.
happen.
Yeah, yeah. And you don't, and you shouldn't be comparing your journey or your
Yeah.
like how far you have come with anybody else, because
Mhm.
everybody's journey is different, everybody's struggles are different. So patience is very important,
That's true.
I would say।
People are
Patience,
getting
yeah.
impatient nowadays. They don't want
Yeah,
to. अलग ही चल रहा है बाहर.
yeah.
Okay.
So you need
So,
to have patience and you need to trust your teachers।
oh, I may cry now.
Off
Okay.
camera.
Oh, okay. Definitely, I'll do that on a personal call. So tell me something about finding your inner peace. Like, what are the any one thing which you have got from the program which you think is good and it's giving me peace till date, and I'm practicing it, or I've done it that time, and I'll plan to do it in future also to be peaceful.
Honestly, I would say that uh, मेरे लिए ना deep breathing exercises have worked a lot
Oh,
because there are times when ऐसे stress, too much anxiety, and so many things are coming your way. Work है, family का है, ये है, वो है, सब कुछ है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि when all of those noises start coming in your head, and obviously like that is what meditation, like मुझे एक चीज meditation के बारे में मैंने बहुत पहले से पढ़ा था कि when you are actually doing the meditation, obviously 10,000 thoughts will, and you have also
mm,
said this, like
yeah.
10,000 thoughts will come to you.
Mm.
The point is not to stop them. You are
Yes.
not supposed to stop them, because
Mm,
you if you stop them, that's not the point of meditation. You're supposed to
mm,
let it come and then let it flow through you.
mm.
And then through, I would say, deep breathing exercises, I feel like कि ठीक है बहुत सारा टू डू लिस्ट में बहुत सारी चीजें रखी है. वो
सबका यही
होगा,
हाल है.
एक एक
हाँ.
करके होगा, हाँ.
Mm.
but just calm down, breathe. एक एक करके करेंगे. So I feel like that has, like, if nothing else, like that has worked wonders for me.
Oh, that's
That
great.
I do. Yes, yes.
That's the
So
biggest
morning
takeaway.
mein I do that at least for like 10 minutes. I would just like sit quietly and I would do that deep breathing, and then I start my day. Start my day
Oh,
in the sense that I walk out the door and then I start my day as a.
that's good. That's good. Like 10
Yeah.
minutes just for yourself. That's what we need.
Just for myself, like
और फिर अगर
calm before the chaos.
and when I go to the and when I meet people, I say, okay, you have to be calm for 10 minutes. And the
You
कैसे हो
have to,
सकता है?
yeah.
हमें उठ के ये काम है, हमें उठ के अरे you have to do that.
Yeah. That 10 minutes can actually save a
Yeah,
lot of, that irritation and frustration that you might get throughout the day. That can
that's
help
true.
a lot.
That's true. And we don't
Yeah.
realize it. We think that okay, the 10 minutes we are wasting our time, etc., etc.
हाँ, वो 10 मिनट में क्या ही कर लोगे
क्या
तुम.
ही कर लेंगे ऐसे बोलते
You
हैं.
will be on Instagram going through reels.
हाँ.
I
I,
bet you.
I've seen a lot of
Instead
people
of
doing
that,
this.
yeah, instead
Early
of that,
morning,
why don't you do this?
yeah, early morning,
Yeah.
taking up their phones and looking onto reels. Wow, it's looking so
That's the
nice.
first thing they do, I swear.
Yes. How can they do that?
Yes.
I don't know. It takes me at least 2 hours to touch my phone in the morning until unless it's something important.
Important, yeah.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah. Anything,
Excellent.
anything you learned, or you're grateful for the tarot reading or the psychological support you have got throughout the program, like in any clarity
So,
or emotional health.
I did. मैंने पर्सनल टैरो सेशंस तो नहीं लिए थे, बट आई हैड बीन पार्ट ऑफ द लाइव टैरो सेशंस एंड आई वाज फॉर्चुनेट इनफ टू आस्क अ कपल ऑफ क्वेश्चंस at that time which I was struggling with, and the I would say the response to that, or like the clarity for that, was like bang on.
Oh, that's great.
मतलब, see, sometimes कैसा होता है कि you know the answer, like you've
Hmm.
lived your life, you have seen people, you have, you are understanding, you can understand कि यार वर्ल्ड में क्या चल रहा है, कैसे चल रहा है. आपको भी मालूम है कि सही चीज क्या है, क्या
Correct.
करनी है.
Hmm.
But sometimes you just need that little push or a little support के,
You can
you
say
know
a direction from the universe.
a direction कि
Yeah.
भाई हाँ, like एक नॉड मिल जाता है कि हाँ, you're on the right path.
सही जा रहे हैं.
सही जा रहे हो, और
हाँ.
एटलीस्ट, और इवन समटाइम्स के लाइक अ वार्निंग ऑल्सो कि भाई आप
Hmm.
सही रास्ते नहीं जा रहे हो, कि यू नीड टू बी कॉशियस.
Nice
बिकॉज
thing.
सम हाँ, समटाइम्स इट कैन बी कि आपको पता ही नहीं है कि आप क्या कर रहे हो, यू आर जस्ट कंप्लीटली लॉस्ट, यू आर, आपको डायरेक्शन की जरूरत होती है. तो दैट सपोर्ट, दैट इट इट मेक्स अ वर्ल्ड ऑफ अ डिफरेंस.
That's true.
बहुत
That's true.
बहुत.
बहुत.
बिकॉज यू कांट कीप आस्किंग अदर पीपल ना कि भाई मुझे क्या करना चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए, बिकॉज अगर कुछ वो गलत हो गया तो देन विल स्टार्ट ब्लेमिंग देम.
तुमने ही बताया था.
हाँ.
ये तो पेटेंट लाइन है ही.
ये तो वही है, ये तो तुमने बताया था, तो व्हाई ब्लेम समबडी एल्स ना. यू मेक
Yeah.
योर ओन डिसीजंस एंड
Yeah.
यू मेक श्योर दैट दे आर एज प्योर एंड गुड फॉर यू एज पॉसिबल. दैट्स
Yeah. So, since you have moved on from a lot of relationships, friendships, etc., in your life, and you have also done that 6 week in a blissful program. So, do you
it.
want to give any message to our listeners, like who are suffering from any heartbreak or फ्रेंडशिप का धोखा, तो वो कैसे उससे मूव ऑन करें? एनी एडवाइस विच यू वांट टू गिव टू द लिसनर्स ऑफ द पॉडकास्ट?
Um, right now, I'll just say कि if you're struggling with friendship heartbreak or any relationship heartbreak, I would just say that healing takes time.
या.
Of course, ऐसा नहीं है कि time will heal all your wounds. No, heal तो नहीं होंगे हम, because those are learnings, I would say. They are आगे जाके लाइफ में whatever or whoever we become, it is because of those experiences.
यस.
So the only thing is that and this is a line from you, Bunny. It's a very true and a very honest and 100% like perfect line hai कि you said कि to be kind to yourself. You have said this in one of your uh, sessions where you were doing the meditation. You have always said that you need to be kind to yourself, and then you need to trust your decisions,
या.
and then वो देख लेगा फिर बस
देखी जाएगी
वो
मेंटालिटी.
संभाल ले
हाँ.
नहीं वो ऊपर जो है ना
हाँ.
वो संभाल लेगा
हाँ,
वो
because
संभाल लेगा
that's
that's
what
it.
we learn in spirituality,
You
that
just have to give,
universe.
yeah,
Yeah, universe is there to
yeah,
keep you safe. You just have to take the right decisions. Okay, even if the decisions are not right, universe is going to be
yes,
pushing you to the
but
right
not,
direction.
yes,
Yeah.
absolutely, absolutely,
So
yes.
if anybody who is listening to the podcast, you have to move on. ठीक है, वहां अटक नहीं जाना है. Move ahead in life. अब यहीं पे अटक जाओगे तो आगे जाके क्या करोगे? आज तो शीतल ने भी बोल दिया. So
All right.
that was nice having a word with you, Sheetal. I think it was a very nice podcast I had in a lot of days. So बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे, and I hope मैं जो listeners हैं उनको भी अच्छा लगेगा. If anybody is going through friendship break or
Yes.
heartbreak, so they'll use all the things or the methods which you have told in the podcast. And thank you for being a part of that 6 week in a blissful program. And hope to see you and meet you soon in Pune. And
Yes.
in the meantime,
Come back soon whenever you can.
yeah, very soon. And thanks a lot for being a part. Thanks a lot for always being this, jolly in during the sessions. Oh, hi.
That's my son.
Hi.
Please,
And
can you say hi? Say
hi.
hi.
Ah. So, yeah. Thanks for being a part of the sessions, and thanks for guiding all the
Thank you
listeners.
for inviting
Thank you
me.
for being
This
a
was
part of it.
fun.
Oh, that's all our pleasure for inviting you. Thanks for getting some time from your busy schedule.
Sorry, sorry. I know this took a long time, but
Yeah, I know.
it's done now. I'm happy.
Okay, hope to see you soon, meet you soon. Thank you, Sheetal, once again. Thanks from Mina
Bye.
Blissful Oasis and team also. Bye. Have a
Thank
nice
you.
day. Bye.
Bye.